The next aspect to become a great personality is to follow honesty. Just as said, honesty is the best policy. Going back to your kindergarten story, where the woodcutter drops his axe in the river, and the fairy godmother comes and offers him a golden axe and then a silver axe, both being denied by him, and him claiming for his own axe that he had dropped, and then he is given back both, along with his original axe, he is given both the golden and the silver axe. If we remember, if we are able to recollect this story, which is being told for ages together, and I'm sure we all would have learned it in our kindergarten classes, because this was a story which was being narrated or told to us to inculcate the habit of being honest. Just as being said, right? Honesty is the best policy. So, honesty will never go unnoticed, will never go unpaid. Honesty always reaps its benefit. Many times we think, what's the use in me being honest? This XYZ is not honest. And it's not going to make a big change. It's not going to bring about a big change if I'm going to be dishonest. Just a small thing. But we should understand, honesty, it may not pay you immediately, but it will definitely reap its benefits. All successful people have always been honest people. There have been so many situations, tempting situations, that they all would have gone through. But they had been able to resist their temptations and stick to be honest. And that has helped them to be more successful. How can you express honesty? Honesty is practiced through words, thoughts, and actions. You speak the truth. You always think about being honest. Your thoughts should be good. And actions, what you do should also be, honesty inclined. Right or wrong. So I think we are all mature enough to understand what is right, what is wrong. Now, honesty will automatically ask us to, choose or prefer doing the right things. Okay, so it is very important to understand the difference between right and wrong and do the right thing. Honesty helps us in differentiating this. Practicing honesty is an ethic. It's a value. It makes you a person of more values, a person with better values. It will make you a successful person. Because dishonesty might help you immediately, but not in the long run. For time being, you might be happy. For time being, you might have managed a tough situation. For time being, you would have been able to escape from the wrath of your boss. For time being, you were able to get the benefits, but in the long run, it's not going to help you. Self-effort is very important. When you are gaining success, when you are reaching the peak, make sure you are always reaching it through your own effort. It should be your own fruit. It cannot be someone. Don't think that we can easily tumble over somebody or push somebody down and then take over their position. Understand that it has to be one's own self-effort to reach the peak of success. Honest people hate cheating. Just as I said, for interim benefits, we should refrain from being dishonest or cheating, because basically honest people don't like to cheat. They don't like to eat somebody else's hard work. They don't like to thrive on somebody else's hard work because they are independent in their own way. And we all know we get what we deserve. Life is like a mirror. Okay, whatever you do will come back to you. If you are going to cheat people, if you are going to be dishonest, then understand or remember that the same thing will happen to you in return. Somebody else will cheat you. Somebody else might be dishonest to you. Keep up your word. For example, you had given a commitment to reach a particular place at 4 o'clock and you were not able to go. Call up that person immediately and tell that person that you were facing some difficulty and you would not be able to be there by 4, and give them an alternate time. That is being honest. If you're going to fear the consequences and not be honest, it is going to reflect badly on your personality. So always keep up your word. Honesty plays a major role in relationships. Whether it's with your family, your friends, or any sort of relationship thrives on honesty. To have a long-lasting, a strong bond of relationship, you need to be an honest person. Any feelings should not be hidden. Whether it's anger or despair, or you're not very happy with something, make sure you always convey it to that person, because when you convey it to that person on face, you will feel much lighter. You will feel much happier. You will feel much okay. But when you start hiding those feelings, it might lead to depression and anger towards that person. So to avoid such things, it's always better to expose or express your feelings frankly. Truth is the mantra for honesty. Always speak truth and never hide the truth. You have to practice truth and never hide. Don't hide the truth always, because truth alone triumphs. Somewhere or the other you will be caught and you might be in a situation where you will start feeling bad about it. It will be too late, right? So never hide truth. Speak your mind to avoid disputes. To avoid unnecessary issues, problems, disputes, always speak your mind. Whatever you feel, don't hesitate to share it with people. Discuss. Any issue will be solved through discussion. Talking to people or through discussing with people, you will be able to find a solution for any issue. Do not keep feelings or do not hide feelings without expressing them, because it is very dangerous for any relationship. Practice honesty both in business or work, at home, everywhere. Practicing honesty at home will help you save relationships. Practicing honesty in business will help you gain or receive better trust from your customers. You will be able to render better service. Your customers would be impressed, and you would become a sought after brand. And practicing at work, obviously, when you practice honesty, what you receive also will be honesty, right? So let me quickly take you through honesty again. I think I gave you a very nice example, a very well-known example, which we all know about the woodcutter. So a lot of benefits. Honesty will bring in a lot of benefits. It makes a person successful. You have to practice honesty in words, thoughts, and action. Whether it is right or wrong, you need to understand, you need to differentiate what is right and what is wrong. You have to be an honest person to differentiate that. Honesty is not a practice, it is an ethic. It is mandatory to be honest. Dishonesty might help you immediately, but in the long run, it is only honesty. Self-effort, always work towards goal, achieve, reach the pinnacle of life, but only through self-effort. Not by stamping someone else or not by climbing on somebody else's back. It should be your own hard work. That will, show you as a better person with a better personality. Honest people do not like cheating. Make sure you keep up your word. If you are not able to keep up your word, intimate that person immediately. Be honest. Do not worry about the consequences of not being able to keep up the word, because consequences of dishonesty are even worse. Again, honesty in relationship is very important in any relationship. Okay, truth. You have to speak truth and you can never hide truth. You should not be doing, honest people always speak truth and they never hide truth. Speak your mind, express whatever you feel has to be expressed easily, and disputes will be solved when you speak your mind. Make sure you always discuss with people. When you discuss with people, half the problem gets solved there. You have any issues, be honest, talk frankly, express your feelings very, straightforward. Talk to them on face instead of backbiting. It's always better to tell them on their face that you're not very happy with whatever has happened. Whether it is business, work, or home, wherever it is, it's very important to practice honesty. Because as I said, honesty is not just a value, it's an ethic. And if you are honest, life is just like a mirror. If you are honest, you will have people around you who are also honest. Whatever you show will be reflected back to you. So it is very important to be an honest person in order to have an exemplary personality.